Wait, you're telling me I can take the transcript from any YouTube video and AI will just take notes for me or translate it into another language? Uh-oh, the future's here. Hello, and welcome to AI in the Family. I'm your host, Tucker. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to take notes and translate transcripts from any YouTube video, including this one. I'm in the video, I don't know where to point, including this one. This can be super helpful if you want to keep the important points from a video, a quick summary, you don't have any paper around to take notes, or if the video is in another language, you can just translate it. And stick to the end to learn a simple trick for creating review questions or a short quiz from the video as well. All right, let's get started. Okay, here we are. The first thing we need to do is get the transcript itself. I'm just going to use my first video I created, the AI glossary, and you just scroll down to the description of any video. Click on that to open it up. Scroll down to the very bottom, and there'll be this section called Transcript. Click the Show Transcript button, and there you go. By default, you'll notice that the times are on the left-hand side. Go to the three dots in the top, click Toggle Timestamps, and now they're gone. The reason we do that is because it'll copy and paste them into ChatGPT, and that will use up some of our tokens. So click just before the very first word, scroll down to the very end of the transcript, hold Shift on your keyboard, and then click just after the last word. And now you have the entire transcript ready to be copied. I'm going to click and click copy. And now we're ready to go over to ChatGPT. Here we are in ChatGPT. So now I'm just going to click and paste into the text box. And now I want to add some instructions to the end. So I'm going to hit Shift and return. And this puts some spaces below it. If I just hit the return or the enter key, it'll send the transcript into ChatGPT and it won't know what we want to do with it. So now that we have that in there, I'm just going to paste my prompt that I wrote earlier into the box. Now I can push enter or this green button. It's currently doing stuff, but it scrolled to the top of the page. So we're going to scroll down further. And here's the 3 bullet points. The video discusses the emergence of a new vocabulary related to artificial intelligence. The host introduces the AI glossary, 2 key terms, AI and LLM. It doesn't put the definitions, so we'll just put, please write out the definitions the host shared. Here are the definitions. So now you can play around with this summarize prompt. Ask for 5 bullet points. Please provide an executive summary. Please provide a detailed summary of this transcript. So play around with those. You can find the one that best suits your needs. Now that we've made some notes, let's translate this. We'll just create a new conversation. We'll paste the transcription right in there. And instead of please summarize this transcript, we'll say, please translate this transcript into, and now you can do any language you want. I'm going to choose Spanish. I don't read Spanish, so I don't know how great a job it does, but you'll notice here's the entire video translated into Spanish. Now, the quiz making bonus I talked about at the beginning. This prompt is great for helping kids retain the information from a video they may need to watch for school. We'll create a new chat. We'll paste in the transcript. And this prompt is a little bit longer, so I'm going to paste it in. For the most important information in the supplied transcript, please create a 3-question multiple choice quiz that can only be answered if the video has been watched completely. and then we'll push send. Okay, it finished writing out the 3-question quiz. It was taking a little bit longer than normal, so I cut that part out because I didn't think you wanted to watch it. Play around with this, ask for 5 questions, ask for fill in the blank questions, ask for short answer questions, and now you can make a quiz for any video on YouTube. Okay, thanks for watching right to the end. Thanks for clicking the thumbs up. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks for clicking the bell. That way, anytime I make a video about AI or a how-to video for AI, you'll get a notification, and together we'll all get a better understanding of how to use AI in the family.